Please forgive me. But I'm back. And look what I got for y'all. I got king crabs and shrimp. And our little kitchen sauce that we just, whatever is available in the kitchen, you know, we just throw it in there. Keep it moving. I didn't make mine like, for those that are familiar with Tika. Tika and Beverly make theirs extremely spicy. But mine is not spicy, it's more of the lemony. I love lemon, so I got that going on. And then, yeah, this is my little cup my cousin made for me. Actually, she made it for the family. We had a family cookout a couple of weekends ago, and I ordered my cup, and it say chilling with Stacy, and on the front it say family and friends chilling and grilling summertime barbecue 2019. But I just love this. So anyway, let me, you know, I got my little special brew. Y'all know how I do. For those that know me, for those that don't, you'll learn. I usually keep me some type of adult beverage. But anyway, let me go ahead and pray, and then we're going to get into this. God bless this food you place for us for the nourishment. Things, so for blessings. Prepared it. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. And for those that might have heard the prayer, I said, bless the food you have placed before us. That's because when I pray, I always, whether I'm by myself, no matter what, I always include the Holy Spirit. So anyway, so I got some shrimp, and I got my king crabs. I ain't been do too much talking. Just know, y'all, I'm sorry. I know I've been gone for a minute. I'm gonna do this. My little bag, my throwaway bag, I'm gonna put on this side of me. But yeah. I apologize, y'all. I've not been gone for a minute. But truth is, so much been going on. All good, can't complain. For those of you that follow my daughter Martika, you know she's with child. So I done lost my drinking partner. And actually, oh my goodness, I hope I don't mess this shirt up. Y'all, my baby bought me this shirt, say adult-ish. I love this little shirt. But because it's black, I didn't put on the bib, because you know, if y'all notice, when I wear dark colors, I don't put on a bib. But I hope I don't mess this shirt up. I'm gonna be real upset because I really do like it. And here is Friday. And y'all know how about my Fridays. I started getting it. Oh, y'all. I really been craving seafood. I know y'all ready for me to crack open these this king crab. I'm finna get to it. I've been drinking. I feel good. Life is good. I will say that. I can truly say life is good. Well, okay. Why not? Okay, look y'all. Y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all. So much been going on. You know, for those that follow me know that I was doing the keto. Okay, yeah, I didn't put vinegar in my water. And I can tell vinegar really helps this crack easy. But and I ain't gonna lie, one minute I'm doing good, next minute I'm doing wrong. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, that looks so good. I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. This is not going to be no long video, and I'm going to tell you why. Because I have been rating. Oh, see, this is what I love. We finally just started making the trip back to Sam's, you know, because that's where our spot is. And, oh, my Lord. Look at all that meat. Yes, auntie. Ain't gonna start. Oh, I miss my meat. Okay, y'all. Y'all, this, I'm telling you, I feel like I told Tika earlier when I was talking to her. This sauce make me want to just go buy some more seafood and just cook up everything. I want this sauce. Y'all look at that. Let me get the white stuff off. I don't like the white stuff. Well, my meat. Yes, baby. Now I'm not look. Y'all don't understand. Look, because I don't want to double dip because Tika wants some of this sauce later. Y'all, my baby is pregnant. For those that know Tika, know that she loves her some seafood. But right now, she ain't been able to have nothing. And my heart goes out to her because I know how she be feeling about her seafood. So y'all, this is divine. And look, it's Friday. I've had my music playing. And when I tell y'all, I'm enjoying this thing. This is my first video since what, May? I'm sorry, y'all. Don't kick me to the curb. I'm gonna get better. You know, we always talk about, well, no, let me say, I have in different arenas. Let me say that. I'm gonna say different arenas. In different arenas, I have always talked about learning how to balance stuff. Anytime something different happens in your life, you need to learn to balance. And the truth of the matter is, I don't know how men, I can't speak from a man's perspective, but I came from a woman's. Most women, we don't know how to balance. So, my absence has been learning to balance things. And I haven't mastered it, but because I'm making a conscious effort now, I'm like, I miss doing my videos. I miss joking, acting silly. I miss all that. Because y'all gotta remember, you know, I'm married now. And I've never been married before. And because of family members that, you know, and friends that have been married and, you know, had issues, whatever, I just didn't want to, you know, I just want mine to work. So, I'm learning how to be a wife. And, getting better. Started out a little rocky, tell the truth. It did. But, you know, one thing I will say, when you want something to work, you work on it. So, that's what I'm doing. But I will say, this is what I want to tell everybody. I ain't finna get off into that because I want to just enjoy my seafood. I want to tell everybody that reached out to me through Messenger, through my Instagram DM, that you can put it on my post when I put up something and they respond. Thank you for checking on me. Thank you for always being supportive. Oh, it's so good. Y'all, this thing, I can't even tell you what I got in here, other than I love it. I mean, I just dumping whatever's in the kitchen. But I love lemon. I love the taste of lemon. So when I tell you I got a lot of lemon juice, you know, it's not spicy. It's got a kick, but it's not spicy. It's so good. Y'all. Sorry. I know with just a hint of spice, your nose start running a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna get back on these. I love shrimp, y'all. And you know the funny thing is, for those that family and friends know, but I used to didn't like shrimp. I didn't eat seafood. I ain't eat none of that. I think I told this story before. I don't remember, because half the time I'm on here, y'all know I'm drinking. But anyway, excuse me. I did not like seafood. Didn't like shrimp, didn't like crab legs, nothing. All thing I did was eat fish, and I ate it. At that time, it was only whiting, and it was like maybe twice a year. But when I got pregnant with my last baby, Michael, I was 26 when I got pregnant with him. And when I got pregnant with him, all of a sudden I started craving seafood. And that was weird to me, because I'm like, how do you crave something you never liked? I used to crave seafood. And back then, because y'all gotta remember, Michael B, you know, it's been a minute. It was this place called, I didn't think I needed that scissors, but apparently I did. It was this place called Cub Foods here in Georgia. I don't know where else they were, but I know here in Georgia, it was this place called Cub Foods. And I remember I had one morning I woke up and I was craving shrimp. And I went to Cub Foods, had them to cook my food for me. And y'all, okay. That one went down the wrong pipe. And I've been eating seafood since. Y'all, that's okay, there you go. Oh, man, they tried to get me. Y'all, I haven't had king crab. Look at that. Look at, and I still got more meat. You see that? Y'all, I haven't had king crab for so long. Oh my goodness. Oh my Lord, help me. But I started craving seafood from there, shrimp. And I've been eating it ever since. And then there's nothing. As far as crab, I don't even remember when I started doing crab legs, but I do know I was in my 30s. Can y'all believe that? I was in my 30s. But y'all, this is another look. For those of you that follow me, I'm just jumping all around, y'all, to be honest. I just looked at myself. Y'all know, I told y'all I was starting keto. Well, the truth is, I've been playing with keto. I would do right for a minute, then I'll stop, do right, stop, do right, stop. But I can truly say, of the few pounds that I have lost on keto, I have kept it off. And, okay, I ain't finna fight with that because I didn't bring, okay, I'm saying. Y'all, like I told y'all, Tika pregnant. I'm gonna say this one for her. She said, that's a nice piece of meat. She better eat it. She better not play with my king crab. I know that. Cause she keeps telling me, I want to taste it. I want to taste it. So I'm like, all right now. Oh, wait a minute. Oh. Y'all, I had to do everything myself. Everything. I had to cook. I had to prep. I had to set up. I had to do everything myself. She didn't help do nothing. But I can't even get mad. I get it. Oh, this is a lot of work. Because usually, we have always worked in teams. When we would get ready to film, whether it was me filming, her filming, or we were filming together, she would do the cooking, and I'll do all the setting up, making sure everything was ready. I did go around, I had to do everything myself. It's a lot of work. Oh, Lord. Oh, this. Oh, y'all ready? Y'all ready? Look at that, look at that. Oh, yeah, look at, oh, yeah. Oh, I'm just getting excited. Y'all, look at that meat. Okay, I wait right. Oh, gee. Yes, indeed, yes, indeed. Y'all, this sauce is everything. Okay, y'all. Ooh. Okay, y'all I ain't even know I'm making that kind of mess, but you're gonna have to be alright, y'all. I'm not, I mean, it is what it is. Where did it go? Yep, I'll put a mirror right there. Y'all. Oh, my goodness. That one, I don't know why that one was the bite, but that was the bite for me. Oh. Y'all. Yeah. I really like my shirt. My sugar bought me. Say a dope-ish. Oh, y'all, this is so freaking good. Y'all have no idea. I wish there was a taste, a way you could taste what we be tasting. Because I know there's a lot of mukbangers out there, and you be like, oh, I just want to taste it. Yeah, I wish you could. Y'all. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Oh, yes, hunty. I get excited with my big meat. Okay, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, I really was craving some seafood. And I think that's what made me go ahead and do this video. Because I'm like, when I'm like really craving something to eat, I want to go ahead and eat it, to be honest with you. Having to go through all this, I don't even want to do it. But, I'm getting full now. And y'all, for those of you that know me, know Ooh, that was a lot of meat. Ooh, that was a lot of meat. Ooh, good gracious. For those of you that are familiar with me, know when I eat, it's fried. But for those of you that know me, know when I eat, I'm going to always leave room for my drink. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. But, yeah. Now, my cousin did my cup. And, ooh, that was, ooh. I hope that didn't sound too loud on camera. Because, I was feeling that. Okay, I just want to eat my crab legs. I'll eat them in a minute because I'm going to drink a little bit. So I got shrimp. I got 2. No. Ooh, I can't count. 3, 6, 9. I got 9 shrimp though. No, they got a piece of crab there. I got 9 shrimp though. So, I'm going to leave them. I'll come back to them because it's still kind of early. It's what? I'm at 4 o'clock here in Georgia. So, I got plenty of time to come back. Because, you know, as I get to getting right, I'm going to want some Miss tea. But I just want to tell you guys, I missed y'all. And again, much love to everyone that reached out to me, telling me, you know, they miss me, so on and so forth, checking on me to make sure I was okay. Thank you guys. I love y'all so much. And I even more so love you because you love me. So, I tell you what, it's not going to be as long as it has been. I'm going to get better. I know I've said that in the past, but I promise y'all, I'm going to get better. I'm learning balance, and now I'm understanding what I need to do, how I need to do it. And on some days when I don't feel like it, I'm going to have to push. I get it. So, I love you. I love you, my brown sugar sweet things. And look forward to a video from me soon. I love you. Bye.